Our next concept is distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points in two-dimensional geometry. The distance between two points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root of. Second point, the distance of the point Px comma y from the origin capital O 0 comma 0 is OP is equal to root of x square plus y square. Next point is the distance of a point Px comma y Px comma y from x-axis is mod y and y-axis is mod x. These are points abscissa ordinate of point P, mod y mod x. Let us do some example problems. Point B is symmetric to A 4 comma minus 1 with respect to bisector of the first quadrant. Then length of AB is here bisector of first quadrant is line y is equal to x. Here given B is symmetric to the point A 4 comma minus 1 implies B is the image of the point A with respect to y is equal to x. P is symmetric to A with respect to y is equal to x. Image means here with respect to line y is equal to x implies B coordinates are minus 1 comma 4. Okay, since a is 4 comma minus b is minus 1 comma 4 with respect to line y is equal to x. Now ab is equal to root of minus 1 minus 4 whole square plus 4 plus 1 whole square, that is 5 square plus 5 square, that is equal to 5 root 2. Our next problem is if the distance between the points a cos 48 comma 0 comma 0 comma a cos 12 is d, then d square minus a square is equal to your given points. Let a is a cos 48 degrees comma 0, b is 0 comma a cos 12 degrees. Now given ab is equal to d implies ab square is equal to d square. Now d square is equal to ab square means distance between a and b, that is a cos 48 whole square a cos 12 whole square. That is equal to a square cos square 48 plus a square cos square 12 degrees. Here take a square common, that is cos square 48 degrees plus cos square 12 degrees. A square is equal to cos square 48 degrees plus, here cos square 12 degrees can be written as 1 minus sin square 12 degrees, that is a square into cos square 48 degrees minus sin square 12 degrees plus a square into 1 is a square, that is equal to d square. Now bring this a square left hand side, d square minus a square is equal to a square into, now this is in the form of cos square b minus sin square a, which is equal to cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So apply that formula, that is cos of that is equal to, here 48 plus 12 cos 48 plus 12 degrees into cos 48 degrees minus 12 degrees, that is d square minus a square is equal to a square into cos 60 degrees into cos 36 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2, cos 36 is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. Therefore d square minus a square is equal to a square into root 5 plus 1 by 8. Next problem is, if the distance between 2 points a cos theta comma a sin theta and b a cos phi comma a sin phi is 2a, then theta is here AB is given as 2a, implies AB square is equal to 4a square. Here A is given as a cos theta comma a sin theta and B is given as a cos phi comma a sin phi. Now AB square means a cos theta minus a cos phi whole square plus a sin theta minus a sin phi whole square is equal to 4a square. Now that is equal to a square into cos square theta plus cos square phi minus 2 cos theta cos phi plus a square into sin square theta plus sin square phi minus 2 sin theta sin phi is equal to 4a square. Here a square into cos square plus sin square theta is 1, a square into cos square plus sin square phi is 1 minus 2a square into cos theta cos phi plus sin theta sin phi is equal to 4a square. This is 2a square. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is cos of a minus b, that is cos of theta minus phi is equal to 4a square minus 2a square, that is 2a square cos of theta minus phi is equal to 2a square cos of theta minus phi is equal to minus 1. So cos of theta minus phi is equal to cos phi. So general solution is theta minus phi is equal to 2n pi plus or minus phi, where theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus phi plus phi. Here n belongs to z. Our next problem is, the distance between the two points 1 comma 1 2t square by 1 plus t square comma 1 minus t whole square by 1 plus t whole square is 1 plus t square. Here given points let A is 1 comma 1, B is 2t square by 1 plus t square, comma 1 minus t whole square by 1 plus t square. Now distance AB is equal to under root of 2t square by 1 plus t square minus 1 whole square, 1 minus t whole square by 1 plus t square minus 1 whole square, that is equal to, this is 2t square, take LCM, minus 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square whole square. This is 1 minus t whole square. Here also take LCM, minus 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square whole square. That is equal to the root of 2t square minus t square is t square minus 1 by t square plus 1 whole square plus, this is 1 plus t square minus 2t minus 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square whole square, that is equal to, this is t square minus 1 whole square by t square plus 1 whole square plus, here 1 gets cancelled, t square gets cancelled, minus 2t whole square, that is 4t square by 1 plus t square whole square. Here take LCM, 1 plus t square whole square, the numerator t square minus 1 whole square, that is t power 4 plus 1 minus 2t square plus 4t square. That is equal to, this is t power 4 plus 1 plus 2t square by 1 plus t square whole square, that is equal to, this is again we can write it as t square plus 1 whole square by, denominator is also t square plus 1 whole square, they both get cancelled, root 1 is equal to 1. Therefore AB distance is equal to 1. Our next problem is the distance between the points a cos of theta plus 2 pi by 3, comma a sin of theta plus 2 pi by 3, and a cos of theta plus pi by 3, comma a sin of theta plus pi by 3 is, here distance is under root of x2 minus x1, that is a cos of theta plus pi by 3 minus a cos of theta plus 2 pi by 3 whole square plus a sin of theta plus pi by 3 minus a sin of theta plus 2 pi by 3 whole square under root of. So now expand this. This is a square into cos square of theta plus pi by 3 plus cos square of theta plus 2 pi by 3 minus 2 cos theta plus pi by 3 into cos of theta plus 2 pi by 3. plus a square into sin square theta plus 5 by 3 plus sin square theta plus 2 pi by 3 minus 2 sin of theta plus 5 by 3 sin of theta plus 2 pi by 3, that is equal to a square of cos square theta plus 5 by 3 sin square theta plus 5 by 3, that is equal to a square into 1 plus here cos square theta plus 2 pi by 3 sin square plus 2 theta plus 2 pi by 3, that is also again 1 plus a square minus 2a square into cos of theta plus 5 by 3 into cos of theta plus 2 pi by 3 plus sin of theta plus 5 by 3 into sin of theta plus 2 pi by 3, that is equal to 2a square minus 2a square into cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is cos of a minus b, that is theta plus 2 pi by 3 minus theta minus 5 by 3, theta gets cancelled, that is 2a square minus 2a square into 2 pi by 3 minus 5 by 3, that is cos 5 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, 2a square minus a square is equal to root a square. Root a square is equal to a is the final answer. Our next problem is the distance between tan alpha comma 2 0 comma 1 if alpha lies between 5 by 2 and 5. Here distance is square root of tan alpha whole square plus 2 minus 1 whole square, that is root of secant square alpha, that is equal to mod sec alpha. Here in pi by 2 to pi, in pi by 2 alpha pi sec alpha is negative, implies mod sec alpha is equal to minus sec alpha. Therefore distance is minus sec alpha.